Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign up on Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign up on Amazon Prime Video, you just simply have to tap into this Prime Video application and open it. Then after opening the Prime Video application, you will get two options to begin with. You just simply have to tap into this create account new to Amazon option, and then this page will appear where you can enter your first and last name at the first row and the mobile number or email address in the second row, and create a strong password with minimum 6 letters in it. And after entering all these details, simply click to continue. Let me do this real quick. Now you just simply have to enter an OTP which was sent to your email address. Just simply check your email address for the OTP and then enter it to this box. Then after that, click to create your Amazon account option. And now after doing this, you have successfully created an Amazon account. By following these very easy steps, you can easily sign up on Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.